So what is up, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. Today not a whole lot has happened. I had to go to work today and ooh, it's bright outside. Yeah, I had to work for a few hours. I'm helping. So my position is curbside. Exactly what that is? Crap, I forgot my keys. I was trying to get something out of my car. Well, my position, I'm supposed to be shopping for people. They put their order online. I'm supposed to shop it for them, and then once they come, they send me a text. I go out and drop it off at their car. Well, that position hasn't actually started yet. It starts in March. So I don't really have an actual position at the store yet. Like, I am working there, but I don't have a set place yet. But anyways, I got off early. Then I went to go get a haircut. Man, if you see my last vlog, my hair was like super huge. And we're actually going to the monster truck show. So we're running a little bit late because we thought that the show was at 7 p.m. and it turns out it's at 3:30, and it's now like 2 something in the afternoon. So we're probably 100% will be definitely late. So it's okay, we'll miss a little bit of the show. As far as sickness, feeling a lot better today, honestly. This is probably the best I've felt in like 2 weeks. So I guess it's finally starting to go away a little bit. Thanks to the help of Robitussin. Hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored. And what do you wash down Robitussin with? Some 7-Up. Hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored. Alright, so we made it inside. We're trying to find our seat. Like, so the sign said up to 329, and then the next sign was 346. We're in 335. So we were like right in between the thing where it didn't show. But we're following the signs right now. We ended up in like club level. It's actually a lot nicer than the last time we came to Reliant. Look at that. The wood floors and stuff. We just got our food right now. Yeah. Would so proudly we hid at the twilight's last gleaming. Pretty good. A bunch of the cars caught on fire, flipped over. We're just kind of waiting for everybody to clear out so we don't have to hit so much traffic. It's pretty much empty already though, look. Ooh, little car is fast. So there's the 8th wonder of the world. The first actual indoor dome that was used for sporting events. Selena's played there, a bunch of artists have done the rodeo, the home of the Astros. The first game played on AstroTurf. Elvis came here. I mean, it has a lot of history, but they're gonna be tearing it down probably in the next couple of years. Cool, so this is where all the trucks are being kept at. Cool, we came to the other side and you can see even, like they're even closer. My blue eyes, that American country. Just another day in Houston, Texas. Freaking traffic on a Sunday because of an accident. So we came to the movies. We're gonna watch the Lego Batman movie, but it doesn't start until like 9 o'clock. So we just came we're gonna buy our tickets and then we're gonna go probably walk around the store or something for a little bit. It's crazy what they use now. You can actually get your tickets off of here just by using the touchscreen. What? Alright. I think we're gonna go to Target and see what they have. So we came to Target. We're gonna kill like an hour before the movie starts. We might get a blanket or a jacket or something. We'll see what they have. So we found some. They actually have a decent selection, but they're not like the best price. These are the best price. I'm not gonna pay 60 bucks for this. Come on. Batman taking a selfie. Well, that's the movie we're gonna watch right now anyways. Look at all this stuff. Pokemon. Half of these I don't even know anymore. Who the hell is this? I know Pikachu. So we bought the blanket. It was labeled for a certain price. It came up a different price. I had to get black with him to change the price. Not really. But anyways, I was at the register and I found this. It's supposed to taste like those little snow cones you get from the ice cream man, so we'll see how it tastes. Actually, let's do live right now. First reaction. Yeah, it kind of tastes, like whenever you have the juice at the bottom of it, at the very end. That's exactly what it tastes like, so I'd say they're pretty accurate about it, but it's expensive. $1.19 for one little pack. So it is currently the next day. The Batman movie was really good. It had a lot of dry humor. I love all the references, the DC references. They went all the way back to like the 60s Batman, so it was really interesting. It was a great movie. I think it's good for kids and adults alike, and we just had a good time. So after that we just came home and, you know, just relaxed, and then here we are. It's the next day now, so this is where I'm going to end the vlog. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and when you see you on the next one, thanks for watching.